Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to add media on Wix.com. Guys, if you've created a website and now you want to add media like video, images on your website, then how will you do? So you don't need to confuse about that. Simply you have to go at the left side of the screen. Here you will see media. Click on it and then you can add from here. If you want to add some social accounts over here, then you can link with these accounts. You can add Google Drive photos, and you can upload media from here as well. You can edit your images from here. Simply you have to drag and drop your image, or you can upload media by clicking this button. You have to simply click on this button. You can upload from your computer and you can select from site files. I will go with site files, and like if I want to add this picture, I am going to click on it and then we have to click on choose file. So from here you can crop this picture and you can enhance by these filters, and you can adjust its brightness, contrast, and whatever you want to adjust from here. You can add some of filters from here. You can cut out the picture. We can add text on it, and we can overlay. Like if I want to overlay this light on my image, then I can do. I can change my background as well. We can add some images and we can add some of solid background from here. I think these features are amazing features to edit any type of pictures on Wix.com. So for now I am going to save it. It will take some time, so I've select this picture, and as you can see guys, my picture has been added in my website. So same as you can also add images, videos, or any type of media over here on your website. If you want to show some of certifications over your website, then you can add your images and videos from your PC. So guys, this is how to add media on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.